Good morning, Pilar. How are you? This is Mrs. Sheen. Thank you very much for your question. It's a good question. Um, and I see that you are mainly asking me questions about the future continuous tense. Some people call it the future progressive. So, future progressive, future continuous, those words mean the same tense. Basically, what we do is we take the word will plus be plus the verb ing, and we get the future continuous. And basically, what it means is there is an action that will happen in the future, and it will be in progress. It will be continuous. Okay, so let me talk a little bit about this example here. So we have, first of all, Doug, and Doug says, if you need to contact me next week, I will be staying at the Hoffman Hotel. Okay, good. So here we are today. Okay, today Doug is talking to Nancy. But he's talking about next week, which is in the future. So notice how the future stretches out here. So he's talking about next week. Let's say next week is starting here. This is Monday, and this is I'm thinking about the work week, okay? So Monday to Friday. And Doug is saying, well, during next week, okay, I'm going to be at this place, this hotel. So it's not going to be just a one time, I'm going to go there, stop and leave. No, that's not what he's doing, right? He is going to go there maybe on Monday, and he's going to stay Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, right? Because he's working, right? He will be staying. It will be for the next week. All right? It will be in progress. So that's why he says will be staying, because it will be continuous for that week, not just a one-time short action. Okay, but then Nancy answers him, right? They're having a conversation, and she says, "Oh, okay, I will call you if there are any problems." Now, what she means is, if something happens, let's say you know, I don't know if Nancy is his wife or his coworker. I really don't, I can't tell from this conversation, but whoever is, she promises that if something happens, she will call him next week. Now, that could be like a one-time thing. Maybe on Tuesday, something goes wrong and she has to call him. She's going to make one call. She's not going to be calling him continuously all week, right? No, that's not what's going to happen. It's going to be a one-time thing, maybe a two-time thing, but it's not going to be like constantly on the phone every moment, all continually through the week. Okay, does that make sense? Now, in the other example, Samantha says, just think, next week at this time, I will be lying on a tropical beach in Maui, drinking Mai Tais and eating pineapple. Wow, that sounds nice. Okay, so here we are today. This is Samantha. She's thinking about the future. She's talking to Darren, and she says next week at this time. So, again, let's imagine here's Monday, and maybe to Friday, but sometime during this week, she's going to be lying on the beach. She's not going to just go to the beach, lie down on the sand, stand back up, and walk away. No, she's going to go there, and she's going to lie down in the sand, maybe with her, like she says, with her drink and her pineapple, and she maybe has a book to read, right? And she's going to relax. So if we were to go in time to the future, at the same moment in the future, what will be in progress? What will she be doing? Okay, she will be lying. That will be, if we could go exactly to that moment, she will be in the process of lying on the beach. Okay, just like right now, I am recording this video to you. This is present continuous, right? I am in progress, right? It's like that, but it's in the future. So if we could go to this exact moment in time next week, we will find that she is in the process of lying on the beach. It will be in progress at that moment. Does it make sense? And similarly with Darren, he says, while you are luxuriating on the beach, I will be stressing out over this marketing project. So we go into the future at this moment in the future. Okay, we saw that Samantha is in progress of lying down. Darren will be in progress of stressing. He will be stressing out, which means worrying, right? He will be stressing out about the project. So when you think about future, future progressive, okay, or future continuous, you have to think of it as, yes, it's definitely in the future. So it's not now, it's some point later on in the future. But it means when you get to that point in the future, this action will be in progress. It will be continuous, not just a one-time short thing, okay, but something that's in progress. I hope that makes some sense. It's a little bit difficult to explain, and I can understand why, it's a little hard to get your mind around. But the idea with any of the progressive tenses, the continuous tenses, is you're talking about something that is in progress, okay? Such as at this moment, I am speaking to you. I am recording. This action is in progress right now, okay? And we can have things that are in progress now, in the future, or in the past, and that's where we get these three tenses. Okay, Pilar, I hope that helps, but it was a great question, and perhaps other students will have similar questions on Saturday and we can talk about it more. Let me know if this helps. All right, thank you so much.